Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting the exercise 12.3. This is question number 1. You find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, PR is equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle and this is the shaded region. This is the shaded region. Now first tell me, since QR is the diameter, since QR is the diameter, therefore this angle RPQ angle RPQ will be 90 degree because this is angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle. Semicircle की वजह से this angle is 90 degree. So now this triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Can we find QR? Therefore, triangle RPQ is a right angle triangle. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem, therefore QR square will be equal to this base square and plus 24 square. That will be 7 7 49 plus 576. That is 625. Therefore, QR will be square root of 625, which means 25 centimeter. Now, radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? This RO or OQ. This will be how much? 25 upon 2 centimeter. And the radius of the circle is how much? 25 upon 2 centimeter. Okay. Now what will be the area of this shaded region? The area of semicircle and minus area of triangle. Now first area of semicircle, that will be, pi is not mentioned there. Area of semicircle is 1 upon 2 pi r square that is 22 upon 7 into r square into half. R square is 25 upon 2 whole square. Okay, so you will get, after the calculation you will get the sum result. Similarly, area of triangle RPQ, that will be half into base is here RP into height is here PQ. So this will be 1 upon 2 into this 7 or into 24. This will be 2 12 12 8 जा 84 centimeter square. What will the area of the triangle RPQ? 84 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region will be area of this semicircle and minus area of triangle RPQ. So just put the values 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 2 into 25 upon 2 whole square minus area of the triangle was 84 centimeter square. Now just look here, this 21 1 ja 22, 25 square is 625, this is 7 and this 2 square is 4, 4 2 ja 8 minus 84. Now 22 into 625 minus the divided by 56 minus this 56 will be the LCM. So this will be 84 into 7 into 8 and that is 56 and divided by 56. When you will multiply them, the 22 5 ja 110, 44 and 55, 22 6 ja 132 and 5 137 minus when you will multiply these two you will get 4704 divided by 56. Now just subtract it, you will get 9046 upon 56 divided by 2, 42 4 ja 45 23 upon 28 and when again you will divide this you will get 161.54 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region. It's okay. Now this is question number 2. You find the area of the shaded region if the radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively and angle AOC is 40 degree. So this radius is given 7 centimeter and this is given 14 centimeter, this greater one. You have to find this area. This is the shaded region area. So we have given the names A, B, C, D and O and this angle is given 40 degree. Sector angle is given 40 degree. Is it okay? Now first the radius of the sector AOC. This is the sector AOC, AOC and this is the radius, greater radius R. R is given how much? 14 centimeter and the radius of the sector BOD, this is small r, this is given 7 centimeter. Question is this, you have to find this shaded region. So now also one more thing is given, sector angle for both the sectors, that is given how much? 40 degree. Sector angle is given 40 degree for both the sectors. Now area of the shaded region, that will be area of this sector, bigger sector AOC is equal to area of sector, which one? This greater one, AOC minus area of sector, this one, BOD, sector BOD. The area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now just put the values. Area of this bigger sector will be theta, that is 40 upon 360 into pi and r square is given 14 square minus 40 upon 360 into pi into 7 square. Now just look the calculation. This 40 upon 360 into pi is common. 40 degree upon 360 degree into pi is common, and here we will left 14 square minus 7 square. Now just put all the values. 44 1 ja 1 4 or 4 9 ja 36. So this will become 1 upon 9, pi is there, 22 upon 7. Just look here, 14 ja 14 square is 196 and minus this is how much? 7 7 ja 49. So this will become, just multiply them, 22 1 ja 22 upon 9 into 7 is there, multiplied with, just subtract them, 16 minus 9, 7, 18 minus 4, this is 147. Again do this calculation. 22 upon 9 into 7 into 147. Just divide it. 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 22 upon 9, and this is 21. Just multiply them. 21 2 ja 42, 21 2 ja 42 and 4, 46 upon 9. 462 upon 9 centimeter square. Again this can be divided. 4 6 12, okay, 3 15, 3 ja 45 upon 3. So you can do this. 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 1 is left there, 51.33 centimeter square. So what is the area of this shaded region? 51.33 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now this is question number 3rd. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. This is the square. Here is the given point P. This is point P. This APD and BPC, they are the semicircles. The side of the square is given how much? Side of the square is given 14 centimeter. इसलिए area of the square, that will be side square, यानी 14 square. This will be 196 centimeter square. You have to find the shaded area. This is the shaded area. This is the shaded area. So this shaded area will be equal to area of the square minus area of semicircle A, right here, area of the semicircle APD plus area of the semicircle BPC. Now radius of the semicircle. radius of the semicircle APD, and the same radius will have BPC. So this will be how much? This total is 14. So this will be radius and this will be 14 upon 2, which is 7 centimeter. Now area of semicircle, this one APD will be equal to area of semicircle BPC, and the area of semicircle is 1 upon 2 into pi is mentioned there? No, 22 upon 7 or into r square. Is it okay? So this will be 2 will cancel here, 11 upon 7 into 7 square. This 7 will cancel out, 77 centimeter square. How much? 77 centimeter square. So this is the area of the semicircle APD and area of the semicircle BPC. Both will be equal to 77 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. This will be this complete area. How much? 196 minus this area. How much? 77 and plus both the areas are equal to how much? 77. How much? 77. This one. So now just add them. 196 and minus 77, 154. You will get how much? Simply 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square. So what will be the area of this shaded region? That will be 42 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now this is question number 4. You find the area of the shaded region in the given figure, where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as center. ये कोई आपको एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल गिवन है OAB, ठीक है, इसके एक वर्टेक्स इस O से एक सर्कुलर आर्क ड्रॉन किया गया है, दिस वन ऑफ रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्कुलर आर्क? दैट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो आपको ये जो है शेडेड रीजन निकालना है, दिस वन. तो फर्स्ट टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल OAB. दिस विल बी √3/4 into side square. So this is √3/4 into side is 12 square. 12 square is 144. √3/4 into 144. When you will divide this 144 with this 4, you will get 36 √3 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of this circular region. This is also the circular region, this one. Then this circular region is, just consider this circular region. This angle of the triangle, this angle of the triangle is how much? Equilateral triangle, it is 60 degree. Then therefore this angle, this exterior angle, this will be 360 minus 60 degree, that is 300 degree. So what is this angle (300°). Now area of the sector. This is the sector. Now area of the sector of circle of radius r is equal to how much? 6 centimeter, and the sector angle how much? This angle is 60 and this angle will be 360 minus 60, that will be 300. So what will be the area of this sector? Theta upon 360. Theta is given 300 upon 360. 300 upon 360 into pi is mentioned there? No. This will be pi 22 upon 7. R is given 6 square. Now just solve it. Divide this by 10. 30 upon 36. Into 22 upon 7, and this is 6 square is 36. What you will get? This 36 will be cancelled, and this will be 30 into 22 upon 7. 660 upon 7 centimeter square is the area of this one. The question is this, ki find the area of the shaded region. Now total area of the shaded region, this will be area of this triangle plus this. So what will the area of the triangle? 36 under root 3 and plus 660 upon 7 centimeter square. So what is the area of this shaded region? 36 under root 3 plus 660 upon 7 centimeter square. Now this is question number 5. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. Okay. This is the square given ABCD. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. What is the radius of this square? 4 centimeter. इसके हर कॉर्नर से 1 सेंटीमीटर के क्वाड्रेंट कट कर दिए यहाँ से. What is the radius of these quadrants? 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. This circle of diameter 2 centimeter, its diameter is 2 centimeter, therefore its radius will be 1 centimeter is cut. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. This is the remaining portion, this one. This is the remaining portion. Now first thing, area of the square, that will be side square. Side square is 4 square, that is 16 centimeter square. Now radius of a quadrant of a circle, that r is given 1 centimeter. Quadrant means this angle is 90 degree, a sector of 90 degree. A sector of 90 degree of a circle is known as quadrant. So what is the sector angle? Sector angle is 90 degree. Sector angle is 90 degree. Now how many quadrants are there? 4. So first we will find the area of quadrant. Now area of a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means 1/4 of the circle or 90 degree sector of a circle. So that is 90 upon 360 into pi is mentioned in the question? No. Pi is 22 upon 7 and this is 1 square. Now just 90, this is 1 upon 4 and 22 upon 7 centimeter square. This is the area of one quadrant. How many quadrants are there? 4. Therefore, area of 4 quadrants, that will be, एक का एरिया 1/4 है तो 4 का कितना हो जाएगा? 4 इंटू 1/4 इंटू 22/7. This 4 and 1/4 will be cancelled out. We will get 22/7 centimeter square. This is the area of 4 quadrants. Now area of this circle. Area of the circle. Now area of the circle of diameter 2 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle, that will be diameter upon 2. 2 upon 2, which is 1 centimeter. The area pi into r square. Pi is 22/7 into 1 square. Again it is 22/7 centimeter square. Area of these 4 quadrants is 22/7 and area of this circle is also 22/7 square. You have to find the area of shaded portion, shaded region. So this is the shaded region, which is the taken out, which is removed out. Now area of the remaining portion of the square, so that will be area of the square minus area of 4 quadrants or plus area of circle. So what is the area of the square? That is 4 square. That was given 60 minus area of 4 quadrants, that is 22 upon 7, and again area of the circle is 22 upon 7. So this will be 16 minus 44 upon 7. 16 7 ja 112 minus 44 upon 7. Just solve them. Minus 4 8 6. So that is 7 9 ja 63. 5 and 0. 7 7 ja 9.71 centimeter square. So what will be the area of the remaining portion of the square? That will be 9.71 centimeter square, or you can write 68 upon 7 centimeter square. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.